Hello everyone, and now I'm gonna represent you special parents promise. It's funny, when we get married we give each other promises to love, to understand and to share good and bad days together. But the birth of the child is equally important moment of life and also needs its own special promise. And at that point, we're gonna fix this mistake now. I put text of the promise on the first page of handmade photo album because things that we make by ourselves is more significant to us. But you also can choose any kind of photo album that you really like. You can write it or print on the first page. And let's start. Let's dedicate this album and this promise to someone called Mark, for example. I will read text now and you can just close your eyes and imagine that you're receiving this promise from your parents. Let's start. Dear Mark, we love you very much. We loved you when we found out we've been expecting you. Then again, even stronger, when our long-awaited first meeting took place. And we will love you until our last breath. We promise to accept you as you grew up. We promise to listen and hear your wishes and dreams. Being your family is the most great value for us. We promise to take care of you and hold your hand where you can't be alone, and let it go when you want to move on your own. We promise to love you for better or worse, for richer or poorer, and to give you the best we can. We can't show you the size of our love, but we want you to always feel it regardless of the time and distance that will separate us someday. Now we don't know your destiny, but we know that everyone has to make a choice in life. Whatever is going to be yours, we will respect and support it. Maybe one day our opinions, feelings, and desires will not coincide, but this will not affect the fact that we love you and will do everything to make you happy. Now and forever. Your mom and dad. Both parents need to sign this promise and also put a date. In our next lessons, I will give you recommendations about filling other pages of this special photo album. It was just the first page, but I'm sure you felt how strong are these words. You can add some more promises or leave some place and return to this promise later when you have more to say. I'm very glad that now you know this promise and hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.